How to add a restaurant on Uber Eats. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for ubereats.com. Scroll down to the bottom to find the Add Your Restaurant option and tap on that. You will have a sign up page before you now. So go ahead and enter your details such as address, store, brand name, business type, etc. You need to fill in every detail asked to you. Also, enter your full name, email, and phone number and tap on the submit button. In the next step, you need to upload your menu. The menu must have all the required information such as the type of food, food description, hygiene information, price, and other details. Make sure to use a high-resolution photo for each menu so users can easily understand the type of food you offer. Once you have uploaded the menu, you will be redirected to the dashboard, which you can personalize according to your restaurant. And once you sign up for the platform, you must wait for the approval from Uber Eats. Typically, getting approval and a welcome kit takes around 2 days. However, if you have many stores, that is more than one, it will take more time. In case of uncertainty, you may contact the providers for details. So, this is how you can add a restaurant on Uber Eats. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. See you on the next one.